Hazardous cargo transportation, transporting hazardous goods such as explosive substances and articles, flammable gases and liquids, toxic substances, and radioactive materials can be very dangerous if they are not done in the correct way. Because of this, there are certain regulations which need to be followed. Some of the regulations which need to be pursued during the transportation process are: packaging. The union have specification standards and your packaging needs to meet these requirements and standards. Your goods must be put through and pass tests in order to meet the requirements of the UN. For example, pressure testing. Your goods must go through a variety of tests, and the pressure test is where your goods will be held in stacks and the packaging of your goods must remain the same as it was before it went through the testing. Another practical test which is carried out is dropping your batch of goods. This is so that they pass practical transport regulations. Your goods can only be approved for transport if they pass these tests and they also have the correct labeling. If they do not have the right labeling, then they will not be approved. Documentation. You must be able to provide a license or permit card for hazmat training when requested by officials. The shipper must also prepare a special declaration form, which usually contains emergency information, the shipper's name and address, and also the consignee's name and address. It also includes a description of each of the individual dangerous goods, in addition with their categorization, amount, and packaging. The IATA International Air Transport Association usually issues these documents if you require air shipments. Handling. The laws and regulations of handling dangerous materials differ depending on the status and activity of the materials. The people who are specifically trained and experienced to deal with any spillages or leakages of the materials are very experienced with this work, and they have to wear protective equipment for safety regulations. A fire department will have a response team to deal with these types of dangers. Simtex International also offer a wide range of services for the shipment of class unsafe goods, including commercial and military explosives, explosive storage, missiles, cartridges, weapons, sensitive tools and devices. Simtex also have a team of officials who specialize in the packaging of hazardous goods because they have a great knowledge and experience in dangerous shipments. Simtex are dedicated to provide the highest standards throughout the operation, so they make sure that you have the correct documentation. Simtex are also approved for air shipments by the IATA and also 49 CRF hazardous cargo transportation within the USA. This allows us to transport your products legally, securely and quickly anywhere around the world.